Hi, aloha everyone. Welcome back. Today we are going to focus on what is a map legend and reading a map legend. Okay, so first of all, what is a map legend? It is also known as a map key, and it's a part of the map that explains the symbols or colors. So if you look at reading a map legend, this is an example of a map legend. You see the symbols for parking, for fuel, for bus stop, for restaurant, camping, park, interstate, and hospital. Okay? So your first question is, what is the symbol that represents where people would camp? So looking at this 8 symbols, which symbol represents where people could camp? If you look at it, you would see this symbol that says camping. So you would draw that symbol on this purple box. Take a look at the second question. If someone was looking for food, what symbol would be helpful? Okay, where would you go to look for food or have food out of these 8 symbols? Okay, if you said restaurant, then you're correct, because that's where normally people go to eat. So you would draw a symbol of the circle with a fork and spoon right here. So for today, you are going to be practicing looking at a map legend and reading a map. So if you go on to the next page, okay, on the next page, it's reading a map. It's showing you Sterling Summer Camp. So this is a picture of a compass rose. So you're going to fill in where the directions are on the compass rose. So we know up here would be north, down here would be south, west, and east, right? So if I type in N, S, W, and E. And a good thing to remember about which is west and which is east is when you spell the word we. Okay, west is always to your left, east to the right. Now, the intermediate direction that comes between the cardinal directions, between north and west, would be northwest, right? NW. And then here would be northeast, here would be southeast, here would be southwest. Okay, so please type in your labels so you can remember which direction each of these are. Okay, I'm removing this just so that when you get it, you don't have the answer on it, because you're going to type it in yourself. Okay, so notice the Sterling Camp. In this camp map, it shows where the canoes are located, where the tents are located, where the fire is located, and where the woods are located. So here's the woods, here's the fire, here's the tent, and here's the canoes, right? Now, it says, what place does this map represent? So you're going to click on the purple box and type in your answers. Well, so what does this map represent? Sterling Summer Camp. So you're going to type in Sterling Summer Camp. Okay? Then click on the purple boxes and label the compass rose, like I showed you. Then put an X in the yellow box where Sterling Silver Lake is. So where is Sterling Silver Lake? Okay, where do you think the lake is? Yeah, that's it. Okay, so you're going to put an X in the yellow box where the lake is. Using the map above, complete the following statements. The canoes are blank of the sleeping tents. Now here's the canoes, here's the sleeping tents, right? So the canoes are where of the sleeping tents? If here's the sleeping tents, this is west, canoes would be what? East of the sleeping tents. So you're going to type in the word east, okay, because you're labeling it with the directions. So this is how you're going to complete this reading a map. Now, there's of Geography Interactive notebook where it has a practice in there as well. That's this one. Then you're going to go to the geography assignments where it has reading a map. Okay, then you answer the map questions. Remember, it's the geography assignments, this one, that's going to be counted as a grade. The other one that I had just gone over is just reinforcement, just for you to practice how to read a map looking at your directions. All right, so do your best. Always start off with practice first, and when you're done with the practice, then do the real assignment. Okay? Double check your work before you submit it. And don't forget, anytime you have to come back to pull out an assignment, go back to the date that we had sent you this assignment, which is September 8th. Okay, good luck. Bye.